We're staying at the Waldorf Astoria in Los Cabos. As soon as you enter here, you can see your welcome gifts, which are some apples. There is tequila here. That is a gift. You can either drink it now or save it for later. And this bottle comes complimentary as well. They'll package it up for you if you would like to collect it. So here is the welcome area. And moving on, you can go directly into the bedroom area. As you can see here, there's a place to lounge, 2 chairs in front of a fireplace. One thing we forgot to ask from the concierge service is, does this fireplace actually light up? I'd love to see it. It's something we will ask here soon, but we'll definitely let you know. And before we go too far, we'll open up the closet. And provided here, there's 2 robes, some very comfortable slippers. You can definitely iron your clothes, extra pillows. There's places to hang all of your clothing articles. And there is a complimentary beach bag with Waldorf Astoria, Los Cabos on there. And other storage amenity spaces. We'll close this up and continue with the tour. So I'll continue on this side of the room where there is a very large TV screen where if you'd like to kick back and watch some TV or a movie while hearing the sound of the ocean, the option is available. There's also a espresso machine, I believe it's Nespresso, and if you come down here, there's a coffee bar. There's coffee cups included, as well as the pods, sugar, and just to my left is the refrigerator where you have creamer as well as soda and water and juice that gets restocked daily. And the last cabinet has a safe where you can place your passports and all your other items that you'd like to keep safe. Up here there's also ice as well as wine glasses and other alcoholic beverage glasses.
For privacy, you can close the doors to the restroom. Look at the beautiful door. I love this wood decor details throughout the room. I like the rustic chandelier in the bathroom. In the restroom area, there is a double sink. It's a very pretty presentation of the amenities. You have a body lotion bottle. You have an amenity bag. Inside there's a shoe shine kit and a sewing kit and a shower cap. Inside this jar is cotton pads and Q-tips or cotton swabs. This is the shower. It's a very open concept restroom. You have your shampoo, body wash, hair conditioner, towels, and a soap bar. You have a sitting area by the shower. This is the bathtub. You have a loofah. Your towels. Here is the toilet.
So moving on to the next part of the room, here is the bed with the amazing view. Can't wait to wake up to that one. And if we check the side of the bed over here, there's actually some binoculars. And that's because if we look outside, everyone says if we're lucky enough, we will be able to spot some whales. And I'll start on this side. There's a nice area to relax and lounge. And we have a couple different drinks here. This is day one. There's the welcome margarita, as well as an anniversary gift. They gave us a little bit of champagne at full bottle, which is very exciting. We got a lot to drink. There's a plunge pool, which is kept between 80 and 83 degrees. And then also the very beautiful view.